So I figured, you know what, I've always wanted one. I want to learn how to work on them. Why not go ahead and get myself an old one that I can work on. That way I can go ahead and learn how to ride. So I got my license last August. I mean, whenever I was a kid, I've always liked to pedal bikes, so ain't much different. Ain't much different. Matter of fact, back in 1989, after my car accident, it left me with a smashed left hip, and that left hip, the nerve damage from going through, made it so I lost 80 to 85%, I think it was, of the control and the feeling of my left foot. And I did ask the doctor back then, would I ever be able to ride a motorcycle? And the doctor just looked at me first and said, what, you nuts? He said, probably not. So I kind of put it off in my back of my mind, ever riding. Last year, thought, you know what, let me see. For years of walking, building strength off of what little I do have in that leg, I was able to use that foot enough to be able to go through the gears, shift them out, and everything. And by doing that, well, that and going through the safety training course, they helped me out. And well, I'm on the bike. Might not be the best driver in the world because I'm a newbie, but I try. I'm having fun at it. Ain't that most of the thing? So I kind of see it this way. Yeah, the doctor told me, well, you won't be able to ride a motorcycle. But, I mean, they're not always right. Is it really safe for me to ride a motorcycle? Yeah. Probably not, to be honest with you. I mean, if I would go down I mean, my hip alone is over $80,000 in that left hip. So I would want to protect that side. Which is not really a big deal. Just protect it, make sure I try not to go down. Of course, as everybody knows, it's not if you're going to go down, it's when. So the best thing for me is just to make sure it don't happen. And you can only have so many of your hip replacements for a lifetime. But I have about 18 years on this one, so